Welcome back to another Quick Assist video. Today we're going to be doing a follow along in case your iPhone 17 is in a different language as it is right now. So if you want to change it back to English, all you have to do is just follow along. So first, what we're going to want to do is find this icon, it's the settings, all right? Looks like a mechanical wheel. Then we're going to click that. Once we're in settings, we're going to go to this again. It's the same one. This is general, okay? So just look from the top. All you have to do is look down right here. Click that. And then once we click that, we're going to scroll down and we're going to look for this blue globe symbol. So once we click that, then you'll have the languages. This already has English, so I can easily drag it on top. But if you don't have the language you want, then you would just click the first blue link. Now it accesses all the different languages. Go ahead, go through. When you're done, it'll pop up. So then I'm going to just drag this on top. And then all you have to do is push the red on the right. And now it will reset in your new language. Okay guys, so I hope this video helps. Please like, subscribe, or comment. See you next time. Bye-bye.